Look this question. 25 minus 25 gives us 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. 0 multiplied by 0 gives us 0. Hence, our calculation is completed. 0 is answer. But remember that 0 is not correct. If this 0 is not correct, then what will be the correct answer? You have to calculate this calculation in your mind and comment your answer. What will be the answer? Just take a look and calculate the answer and comment it in comment section. So let us handle this question according to PEMDAS. Parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. This is the complete order to get such types of question correctly. Parenthesis mean bracket. You are looking no bracket throughout the question. Exponent mean power. You have no square, no cube, no tetrapod, so exponent is also missing. Multiplication. Yes, here you are looking multiplication between 25 and 5. So that will be our first step, which will become minus 125. Now 25, copy it, minus 5, copy it. Okay, by moving from left to right, 25 minus 125 give us minus 100, and that minus 5 will be as it is. Now what will be the answer? Minus 105. That will be our correct answer for this PEMDAS based activity. Thank you.